Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, YouTube vlog creator. Today I want to share with you Filmora 15 just released an update, and I want to share it with you guys right here. And as you can see here, these are screenshots, so there ain't no active hyperlink. So if you go over here where my mouse cursor is moving around, you won't be able to click these on because, like I said, they're not active hyperlinks. But however, I will drop the links to these in the comment section below, so you don't have to go drive yourself crazy for it. So if you want, you could pause the video, read here, right? And then we're going to go to the next one over here. There's another part to it right here. As you can see, it goes down from 4 to 6. All right. You could read, you could read that at your own leisure. Okay. All right. Let's drop the link over here. Let's drop this here, and let's go to the windows. We're going to go to the first one over here. It says we've enhanced compatibility with OpenFX video plugins. Okay. And this VST3 audio plugins allowing you to use more third-party plugins in your video production. So it says click more on it. I did that one over here, and we're going to go to that one. Right now, this is the window. Let's move the sound here. And this is the first one we just seen here. And the other one was for pen tools. And this is the other one. I will drop the link to these here, okay? So I hope you guys will get to check this out when you get the chance. And also, if you never tried Filmora 15, it's the first time you're looking into it, researching it, I think you're going to be very happy with it. I've been using this since the 8.76 version. So you guys, I think, are going to be very happy with it. As far as I'm concerned, Filmora keeps getting better and better. and I wouldn't be surprised one day it hits a pro level. I mean, if it ain't getting close to that already. But anyway, and let's go to the actual interface, okay? Here's the actual interface, and here's another window. When you go to it, this is when you download it. This is what it's going to say. What's new in Filmora 15.1.2, all right? And this is it. It'll tell you image to video, AI extend, pen tool, animated charts, and so on and so forth. And you keep clicking the button over here, the next feature, when you download this here, or I should say upgrade to it. You can keep reading what the pen tool is all about, and the information is over here, right down here. It's over here, okay, guys? All right, so you could keep going through it. Animated charts, import sub projects, dual time editing, dynamic captions, smart cutout, AI object remover, okay, and then of course it's finished. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and if you want to be updated to when I post videos, please hit that bell notification icon. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for stopping by.